Okay everyone, today we are going to repair this motor. As you can see, this motor is not working whenever I am connecting to the hub. My program is running. Whenever I am connecting to the hub, this motor is not working. As you can see, this motor is not rotating. So today we are going to repair this motor. So I will keep this aside. As you can see, there is a lock. One lock is here, one lock is here, and there is a one screw over here. So we are going to open this one. Now what I will do, I will take the cardboard cutter, and there is a lock. I will cut this lock. Okay, it is required to cut this lock, else it will be not open, because it is designed by good company. It will be not open. So I cut it, as you can see, because there is a screw, as you can see, so it will be not open after cutting it as well. So as you can see, I will cut it. It will not open after this. So I am going to cut this one. So as you can see, it is cutted. You will do in a proper way. Now further here as well, we are going to cut this one properly. You are going to cut. Okay, as you can see, you will take care of your hand as well, because the blade can go to your hand and it will cut your hand as well. So take care of it. Slowly you will do. Okay, now as you can see, it is, I think it is a proper. Now what we are going to do, we are going to open this motor. As you can see, there is a motor. I am going to take a screwdriver and open. I am going to open this screw. Now it is opened. I will keep aside, and after this I will try to open this motor. So it is hard to open, as you can see. I am going to cut this one proper way. Okay, now I think it is done. Now another one I am going to cut in a proper way. That's why then it will be opened. Okay, cut it. I think it is done. Now we are going to try. Yeah, it is open now. Now you are going to open this one properly. There is a gear mechanism here. You will remove this gear mechanism, and you are going to keep this gear mechanism back again. Now it is done. Now further what you will do, you will remove this motor. How you will remove? You are going to push this motor like from here, and it will come out from here. Okay, now we are going to, as you can see, how this motor is not working, because it can be damaged from here by the tilting it again and again. Someone is tilting, it is damaged from here. Okay, as you can see what is happening here, how the motor is damaged because of it. As you can see, it is taking it is easily rotating from here. It is also damaged from here. Also it is easily rotating from here freely. So it means it is damaged here from here. Maybe some motor will be damaged from here. If some motor is damaged from here, it will take proper 90 degree from here. Okay, so it means it is also damaged from here. So first I will check that it is damaged from here. So I will repair this one. If it will be damaged from here as well, so I will repair this one as well. So first I am going to repair this one. Now I am going to cut this one. I will make a space from here to here, and then I will take because there is a broken wire here. So I will make a distance from there, and I will cut it. Now it is cutted. Now further what I will do, I will take the soldering iron, and I will remove this part, this one. Okay, I am going to remove this one. This wire is here, so this soldering iron will remove this wire. You will hold the soldering iron, it will melt it. Okay, as you can see, it is melting. When it will melt, you will try to remove this one like this, and you will try to remove. You will hold it like this, and you will try to drag it like I am dragging. It is coming out. Okay, now this one same as that. Some part will burn out from here. You will see that some parts are burning, but you will take care of it. And now you will remove this one. It is come out. I will remove this capacitor. It is a ceramic capacitor. So this is used for the providing the current flow, proper current flow. But now it is designed for old systems. But current systems are based on new technologies. So the current which is coming from the computer, it is good. Okay, there is no fluctuation in the current. So there is no requirement of this one. My mean is that it is used for providing the current, And basically another use of this is if there is any kind of fluctuation of the voltage will come, this will be short circuited, and when this will be short circuited, the current will flow from here to here, and the motor will not run, and this will be used for protection the circuit. But the current system which are coming, there is a very less possibility, or very less possibility that motor can be damaged by using the hub and computer. Okay, so don't worry about this, you can remove this one, or if you want to add this one, there is a one ceramic capacitor comes in a market, it is called as 104 ceramic capacitor. You can add it as the place of this. But I'm from 1 year I removed previous year from the many motors, because it was not useful for me, and those motors are working well. Okay, so if it depends on you. Okay, and I'm going to remove this one, there is no need of it. Now further I will add same thing like this. Okay, same thing is added. You will remember this one, it should be inside. Okay, then what I will do, I will cut this one. So I will cut this wire as it was previous. So as you can see, there is a two middle wires here. One wire is this and one wire is this. It is connected to this port, and remaining side two wires are not connected. So I will cut the side two wires. Okay, as you can see, I am cutting side two wires. Okay, now these side two wires are cutted, and also I will do for this one. You can use any scissors for cutting it, but I am having this one now, so I will use this one. You will cut it. Okay, now you will cut it from here as well, for making proper distance. So I am going to cut this one, as you can see. Now I cut it down. Now further what I will do, I will cut this one as well. See, both I will cut from the center. Okay, but it is not totally cutting, I am like separating both of them. I am separating both of them for the soldering as well. So I am going to okay, now what I will do, I will like use this one. I will use like this, and it will go inside further, and it will go also inside from here. Okay, so what I am doing, I am going to cut this one from here for making a space, because the wire will take long duration. So I am going to cut it from here. Okay, or if you don't want to cut it, what you can do, you can simply insert one wire inside, like one wire inside you can insert, and you will do the soldering this direction. And for doing the further soldering, you can what you can do, you can arrange this wire like this, as you can see. Yeah, like this. Whatever I am doing, you can follow the same. Okay, or see, you can do the soldering like this, or what you can do, you have to cut the more wire for this one. Like, if you want to make it more proper, you will cut this wire more, because we want more wire. This wire I want more, so I am going to cut this one, and I am going to cut from here as well, and this wire will go again from inside, and like this. Again this wire will come out from the another side, it will come on the top of the motor, like see, it is coming, and further you have to push it down. And further what you will do, like, you have to arrange by yourself. Okay, now it is arranged. Now one wire will come from there. Okay, so let me arrange the wire. See here how I am arranging. See, now it is arranged now, very well manner. Now you are going to drag it. Now further it is done. Now further what you will do, one wire will come here and one wire will come from here. Now I am going to attach this one like this. It is locked. Now it is done. Now one wire will come here and one wire will come here. Okay, like this. So I'm going to remove the cover of this wire for soldering. So I'm going to remove this one like this. As you can see, the wire is removed from here. Small little bit wire is visible. Okay, now I will remove this one as well. Now this wire is also. After this, what you are going to do? You are going to use soldering iron, okay, and this soldering wire, and you are going to add some soldering paste here and some soldering paste here, in both of them. So in both you are going to add soldering paste like this, and after adding soldering paste it will be more easy. Like, only what you will do, you will take this wire and you will keep on that on the top of it, and you are going to press and attach it like this. Okay, so it is very hot like that, so you will take care of it. Like, you can use any kind of, wait a minute, I will add something. Now I added this part. As you can see, this part is very useful for you. You can hold this one by this and you can place it here, and after this you can like solder anything like this easily. Okay, so it is done. As you can see, it is done. Now further, another part you have to solder it. So you are going to arrange the wire properly as it was in previous. Okay, now this wire will come again, it will come here, and you are going to again take this one and you are going to hold. To say proper, you are going to take this one and you are going to hold this one like this, and you are going to take soldering iron and you are going to solder it. Now we are going to test the motors, that motor is working or not. So we are going to run this motor. As you can see, motor is rotating, it is creating sound. When I remove this one, it will be visible to you. As you can see, when I'm running, it is not. As you can see, motor is working very well. Now what are we going to do? We will arrange the all wires as it was in previous, and we are going to place again inside like this. Now your motor is proper, and you are going to place. It will go freely, okay, not tight. It should be go freely like that. It is going freely. Okay, if it is going freely, it means your motor is fine. Then you will rearrange the deck. Sometime what happened that if this will be not arranged, so this will not go inside. Okay, so you will arrange this one, okay, by using Excel se arrange karna. You will arrange this one so it will go properly inside. Like, if you are having Excel, you will use Excel like this, and it will gear, because there is a teeth of gear na. So if the teeth of the motor gear and the teeth of this gear arrangement is not placed properly, so it will not go inside. So you will use Excel, you will place the teeth, then it will go inside. Now further, this is arranged, as you can see. Now we will use this screw, and we are going to screw it. Now it is done properly. Now we are going to attach this one, and you will see the change. This motor is working. I added the programming of reverse and forward, so as you can see, this motor is working properly. Remove, you can add this one. Understand? Now this motor is working, because this motor was damaged from here. It was not damaged from here. As you can see, the angle of twisting, it is taking some angle, not 90 degree. It is not proper 90 degree. If it is a proper 90 degree on some wire is looking like it is a break, so it will be break. Okay, now as you can see, the angle is different. It is not proper 90 degrees, it is something else. Okay, now this wire is fine, it is working. Okay, we will meet you in next video. Thank you so much.